and welcome back to our channel. In this week's video, I want to talk about the integration of Google Workspace and Zoho ecosystem and some of the reasons why you have to integrate these two systems if you're using both of them. Before I begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here every single day. So let's dive into some of the reasons and some of the apps that I would highly recommend integrating with Zoho, starting off from email. So obviously every business needs a professional email domain. A lot of the clients use Zoho email and a lot of the clients obviously use Gmail. And if you're using Gmail, you really need to integrate it with Zoho CRM if you're using it. So if you integrate both, you can send emails directly from Zoho CRM with your email domain that is registered on Google. You can see all of the emails that are going to your clients from your business email. You can also see all of the emails that you receive to your business email in Zoho CRM. So if your client sends an email to your business email domain, you will obviously see all of the client's requests within Zoho CRM. And that works with any Zoho app, not only Zoho CRM. If you're using Zoho campaigns, you have to obviously integrate it with your Gmail account for email, and then you will be able to send the emails from there. That's one of the benefits of integrations, and that's the main one and the first one that you have to do if you're using Google Workspace and getting into Zoho ecosystem. The second one that I want to talk about is obviously Google Calendar. If you're a business, you obviously will have some appointments. Whether it's going to be appointments for your team or with clients, you need to use a calendar. Again, a lot of our clients use the calendar from Zoho or Zoho Bookings, but if you're using Google Calendar because you're using specific software that integrates with it, I would highly recommend, again, synchronizing it with Zoho CRM. You'll be able to see all the appointments with your clients securely saved in the history of interacting with your clients as lead or contact within Zoho CRM. So I'd highly recommend integrating Zoho CRM with Google Calendar. Moving on to the next step that I would highly recommend integrating with Zoho CRM from Google ecosystem is obviously Google Drive for the storage purposes. You can integrate it with Zoho CRM as a plugin so you can see all of the attachments, for example, the meeting recording with your clients or any type of pictures if you're selling something and the products that they bought, or any other attachments that you want to add to your lead that your sales reps can open up the record of a lead or a contact and see all of the attachments, all of the phone calls, all of the video recordings of the meetings in one place that will be synchronized with your Google Drive if you're again using that. That is very useful and I highly recommend doing that. If you didn't know that it was an option, it is an option and I would highly recommend again integrating it for the storing purposes so you can have everything archived within your Zoho CRM. Moving on to another very useful integration for your sales reps is integrating Google Contacts with Zoho CRM. That is very, very important and pretty self-explanatory. If you have an email list of your contacts within Google, you can integrate it either with Zoho CRM to make email campaigns from Zoho CRM to your leads, or you can integrate it with Zoho Campaigns or Zoho Marketing Automation to make professional email campaigns, not just like notifying your clients about something, but actually making campaigns targeting them. So again, this will be very useful integration and I would highly recommend doing that. And the last tools that I want to talk about are collaboration tools that you again can integrate with Zoho CRM. That includes Google Meet, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and other collaborative tools. So you can use them and integrate them within Zoho CRM, again, for storage purposes. If you're using Google Docs or Google Sheets, again, they can be stored in Drive and all of the documents can be stored within Zoho CRM through Drive. Also, you can conduct meetings through Zoho CRM or calls through Zoho CRM with Google Meet. You can easily integrate Zoho CRM with different tools from Google and Google Workspace. If you're using that tool, I would highly recommend integrating it with Zoho CRM. I know that it can be pretty self-explanatory if you're using Zoho CRM or if you have been using CRMs in past, but I know a lot of clients don't know about all of the capabilities of integration of Google Workspace and other CRM systems. And if you're just getting into CRM systems or just starting using Zoho and you're plus using Google products, again, I would highly recommend integrating them. And I would hope that the information that we shared in this video would be helpful for you. Leave in the comments below any questions that you may have. Also, if you want to integrate any of the apps that I mentioned with Zoho, make sure to book a free consultation with one of our experts by the link down below in the description box. We'll answer all of the questions and consult you in this process of integration. If you have any additional questions, again, you can leave them in the comments below or book a free consultation. I really hope that this video was helpful for you and will help you to understand how to integrate Zoho with other apps much better. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that it was helpful for you, and I will see you in the next week's one.